Microsoft Outlook 2007, created and designed by The Training Factor. Microsoft Outlook 2007 is a registered trademark of Microsoft. This is not a Microsoft certification course. This course was created by The Training Factor to familiarize individuals with the layout and basic functions of Microsoft Outlook 2007. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of using Microsoft Outlook 2007. We will teach you how to configure an email account with Outlook, how to send and receive messages, how to schedule appointments, create tasks and notes, and other basics you need to know to use the program. You can take notes in your workbook as you go through each lesson, and at the end of each lesson is a section for you to try what you have learned. You will need to remember everything you learned for the test at the end. Now let's get started. Lesson 1. Setting up Outlook. In this lesson, you will learn how to start up the Microsoft Outlook program on your computer, configure an email profile in Outlook, send and receive messages, close the program. To launch Microsoft Outlook, you have a number of different options. If you have an Outlook icon on your desktop, you can double-click on that. Or if you have a Microsoft Outlook icon on the Quick Launch bar, you can click that once to open Outlook. Or you can launch it from the Start menu. Just navigate to All Programs, and then to the Microsoft Office folder, and then select Microsoft Office Outlook 2007 from the drop-down menu. The first time you open Outlook, you will be prompted to configure an email profile. You will need to already have an email address and know the password, as well as a number of other pieces of information. You will be prompted to provide the information and click the Next button each time you are ready to move to the next page. If you know all the information you need, go ahead and choose Yes, then click Next. We want to manually configure the server settings, so we will check the box and click Next. Most likely, you'll be using an internet email account. Choose that option and click Next. Here you will need to provide a lot of information: your name, your email address, the server information. Most accounts will be POP3, but your server provider will be able to tell you for sure. You will also need to find out the incoming mail server and outgoing mail server information from your service provider, if that information has not already been given to you. Your username, which will be autofilled when you type in your email address. You will need to change it if your username is not the same as your email address. And your password. You can choose to have Outlook remember your password if you don't want to type it in every time you start the program. If you have filled in all the information, you will see this screen. You can click Finish when you are ready to go to the Outlook screen. Depending on your email server, if you choose for Outlook to remember your password, and if there are updates to Outlook that need to be addressed, you may need to restart the program, or you may have several message windows that need to be addressed. Once you have dealt with restarting the program and any messages that appear, you will see a screen like this one. If your email has not already shown up in the window, you can go to the Tools menu item and click the Send Receive option from the drop-down menu and choose to Send Receive All. You can also use the keyboard shortcut F9 to send and receive messages. A window will appear showing the progress as mail is sent and received. If you have a large number of emails on your email server, this may take a while. Once all the mail has been sent and received, your window will look more like this one. To close the program, you can either go to the File menu and choose the Exit option, or you can click the Close button, which is the X in the upper right corner of the window. Now it's your turn. Use your mouse to click on areas of the interactive screen.